wanted to start to show how you can build little applications using Google Sheets. So I opened a brand new empty Google Sheet. So you could name it if you want. And then for this application, I'm going to just have two cells, the two-letter code of the language, and then I'm going to write something in French here. I don't like cold. And then I have a little script I'm going to run. And I'll walk you through what it does. But first we can also just see, is this script saved? So I'm over ChatGPT to see if there's any hidden dangers in this. I put it in. And it says, yeah, the script is safe. So it's going to ask for some permissions, and we'll go through that. And because they don't do anything out of the ordinary, there's nothing stored. It's going to use the Google Translate service. There's a little bit of error handling. It is using a Google endpoint that could go away at some point, and it will be blocked if you do it too much. And each sentence that you translate needs to be fairly reasonable in length. And so, but in general, it looks fine. Okay, so then to add code, go to extensions. You click on apps script. It's opening up. It's just got an empty function there right now. You can just delete that and then paste in the script. And this is just a mini one. And the 2 slashes mean it's just a comment I put in to describe it. So this on open is what's going to happen when you open this spreadsheet. And it's going to make a new menu called text to speech. And it's going to have only one item called speak B2. So it'll speak whatever's in cell B2. And then once it's going, what does it do? Well, it reads the text that's in B2 and it gets the language from B1. Does a little bit of error checking if you didn't have a valid code, there was no text. Then, assuming everything's okay, it puts it together, sends it over to Google Translate, gets the response, makes sure that the response was successful, converts it into something that we're going to be able to hear. Then it opens up a sidebar and it will show the content. So it's going to write out the text to speech and it's going to speak it. So let's see if we can have that work. So we pasted it in, we save it. Okay, we run it. Now it's going to ask for the permissions. Okay, review permissions. Choose an account. Hasn't verified this app, right? This is the first time we're sending it in. So we go to advanced. And then, do you understand the risk? So that's why we put in ChatGPT and made sure that it was safe. If you're still nervous, you could also just start a new Google account and do it all there so it's separate from all your other work. Then we go to this project. We give it the permissions. Make sure you're happy with all that. Continue. Okay, ran. And then we can go over to our sheet. So we've just got cell 1, B1 and B2. And then you can see there's a new menu. And it just says Speak B2.
J'y n'aime pas le froid.
It opens the new window and it speaks.